Is that okay?
Okay.
If this component is base and this is turmeric paper, then it will change color. It means if this turmeric paper is changing color, then it means it is base. Everybody clear?
Yes.
You can note in your notebook so that you can test accordingly.
Yeah.
If you can remember, then it's okay. Otherwise, you have to note it.
Yeah.
So what you have to do?
एक बार हिंदी में बोल दो।
आपको करना क्या है, देखिए कि अगर ये जो भी हमारे पास कंपोनेंट है, ये अगर एसिड है तो ये चेंज नहीं होगा कलर, ठीक है। लिटमस इस पर बताया मैंने, टर्मरिक पेपर पर, लिटमस पेपर का भी बताऊंगा आपको, ठीक है। और अगर ये बेस होगा तो इसका कलर चेंज हो जाएगा, ठीक है, लाइक दिस। मिक्स हो गया, as you can see. So now you have to test like this, and you have to note in your test book, test table file that I have made already. Got it? You have to dip this turmeric paper in the solution and test what is the color now. Got it?
What's the solution?
You have so many solutions like in the sheet, as I have already shared to you. This one sheet. You have to test with acid, curd, shampoo, vinegar, cold drink, liquid soap, dishwasher soap. Check it.
Mine's red.
So you have to note it in your sheet.
Can I get my I can't type it in.
So you can note in your notebook.
Can I get my notebook?
Yes, yes. Everybody clear what to do?
Yes.
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 अब आप सुनिए भाई, लिटमस पेपर के लिए आपको मैं लिटमस पेपर दे रहा हूँ, रेड और ब्लू, ठीक है। आपको क्या करना है?